Hi guys, my name is Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and today I'm going to show you how to build your very own website step by step using WordPress. Rather than just talking about it, I'm going to show you. So here's the exact website I'm going to show you how to build today step by step using WordPress. I'm going to show you how to add your own logo, and if you don't have a logo already, I'm going to show you how to build one for free. I'm also going to show you how to add this slider with different images, and the images can also connect to your different pages. So if you click this one here where it says contact us, it's going to bring you to a contact us page. On the contact us page there'll be a contact us form where your visitor will be able to fill out their name, email address, subject and their message, and then when they click send, the message will be sent straight to your email inbox as an email. I'm also going to show you how to add an About Us page with images and text. I'm going to show you how to create a drop down menu, so whenever someone hovers over one of the menu buttons, some more items appear. I'm also going to show you how to add different services pages and link them to your home page like this. So this will be the first 100 words or so of each of the pages that the home page has been linked to. I'm going to show you how to add these images into the home page as well, and also this call to action button, which will urge people to get in touch with you for a free quote. When they click this button, it's also going to bring them to the contact us page where they can fill out the form. I'm going to show you how to do all of this step by step now.